Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to continue making our doll, and this is part of our doll making series or Amigurumi making series, and this is the second video. So in the first video we started making the body of the doll and also the collar part, but today we're going to continue making the head, and we're going to start that from that last point where we stopped. So grab your yarns and your hooks and let's get stitching. So before we start this round, there are some things we need to remember. From the last round that we did, we only worked on the front loops of those stitches, front loops of round 14. That's where we made our collar part. And this time, we're going to start the head using a white yarn or a cream yarn that will be the color of the face or the head. And remember that we're going to work in the back loops of round 14. So in the previous round, the collar, we worked on the front loops. And this time, to start the head, we're going to work in the back loops. So start by making a slip stitch and look for any spot where you want to start at the back of the head. So we're going to designate this section as the back part of our head. So start anywhere there at the back. Okay, insert your hook and do one single crochet. All right. And in every stitch of this round, just do one single crochet. So just keep doing that, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. All right, we've reached the end of this round, and all we have to do is connect that last stitch to the first single crochet. And that ends round one of our head. And we are starting round two. So to get to a certain height, chain one and make one single crochet in that same space. And on the next stitch, you're gonna do two single crochets in that same space. And then one single crochet in the next stitch and two single crochets in the next one. So you're gonna do this alternately. One single crochet in the next stitch and two single crochets in the next. So just keep doing this and I'll meet you at the end of this round. So we reached the end of this round, and all you have to do is connect that last stitch to the first one. And we're going to put a stitch marker on this last stitch so we can keep track of where our round start and finish. We're starting round 3 and chain 1. So always chain 1 at the start of every round and make 1 single crochet on that same space and 1 single crochet in the next space. So we have 2 single crochets, and on the next stitch you're going to make 2 single crochets. So this is an increase or 2 single crochets in the same space. So 1 1 and then 2. Let's do that one more time. 1 single crochet in the next space, 1 single crochet in the next space, 2 single crochets in one space. So keep doing this and I'll meet you at the end of this round. And we are almost at the end of this round. We're just doing the final stitches. And for that last single crochet, all you have to do is connect it to the first single crochet of this round. Now don't forget to move that stitch marker so we can keep track of the ends and the starts of every round. And that ends round 3. And we are starting round 4 of our head, and start that by making a chain. So chain 1 and 2 single crochets on that same space, or what we call an increase. So an increase is doing 2 single crochets in that same space. Oops, it won't focus. I'm sorry about that. And from here on, you're going to do 1 single crochet in the next 27 stitches. So just 1 single crochet and then count 27 stitches. So do that and I'll meet you at the end of the 27th stitch. And this is my 26th single crochet and the 27th single crochet. Alright, so if you check, it's actually on both sides of the head. Alright, and on the next stitch, we are doing an increase. So 2 single crochets on that same space. So just do 1 single crochet in the remaining stitches, and I'll meet you there at the end of this round. And we've reached the end of this round. So all we need to do is connect that last single crochet to the first single crochet we made at the start of this round. And that ends round 4 of our head. For round 5 of our doll's head, we are chaining 1, and we're going to do 1 single crochet for every stitch of this round. So for rounds 5 to 12, you're gonna be doing 1 single crochet all around. So that's about 55 single crochets if you count it, but it doesn't really matter because, as we said at the start of this doll making series, this is for amateurs like me. Okay, so we're not gonna get caught up. We're not gonna focus on the counts too much because that will be stressful. All right, so it could get tiring, especially with this kind of amigurumi technique. You need to have your stitches very tight or closely knit so that there's not many holes in the middle. All right, but this is very tiring for your hands. So take time to massage your hands. All right, and take care of your hands. Rest it when you're feeling too tired. All right, so just keep doing this. Turn on your favorite K drama or Netflix show and do rounds 5 to 12. And by the way, don't forget to transfer that stitch marker every time you end the round so you can keep track of how many rounds you've made and you can keep track of rounds 5 to 12. Okay? See you later. Bye. And we're back and we have finished round 12. So it's gonna look like this. And this is actually the perfect time to put in or sew in those parts of the face. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the eyes and that rosy cheeks and those eyebrows, the hair, and also how to sew in the mouth for our whimsical doll. Okay, so just hang on and keep following our amigurumi making series and let's make this doll together. Okay? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.